Where's Gabby? Where's Gabby? Gabby! Where are you? Come here! Are you the washing machine? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. If you are not new here, I know you're probably looking at this video like, wait a minute, what's going on? This video looks very familiar. This does not look like the house that they live in now. And it is not. This is actually a old video that I am re-uploading to my channel, just sort of like a before and after, so you can see where we lived before and how things were and how we have been blessed to upgrade to something bigger and better, and how we're just going to keep growing and growing and growing. So with this video, I'm hoping to motivate you to get your space in order, to clean and organize your space. I know with everything that's going on in the world, we're in our homes a lot more, whether we're working from home, homeschooling, summer camps at home, the whole nine. I completely understand. We are a family of 6 and we spend a lot of time in our home now. So ensuring that everything is organized and in its proper place is very, very important. But enough of my rambling. I'm going to be quiet. I put on some relaxing music so that you can clean up your space or organize, or you can just sit back and watch my video and see what a mess my house was. We have 3 small children, 2 small children, a baby and a teenager, and I believe at this time we were starting to transition into the work from home phase, and so everybody was just home, and just trying to keep everything organized and clean was a task. So I hope that you find this video motivational. I hope that you find this video inspiring and helpful. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, as well as be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your continued support throughout the years. I believe this video was filmed in 2019, so if you are still here watching my videos, or if you just stumbled across my videos, again, I appreciate everyone's support. I post videos weekly on lifestyle and home decor, as well as cleaning motivation videos. So if you want to see more of those videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for sticking around. I appreciate your continued support, and I hope that you found some motivation to clean and organize your space. I know that we all are in a different space right now, and sometimes it can be difficult to maintain it, but I hope that you found this video helpful. If you are new here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified when I post new videos. I post videos weekly on lifestyle, home decor, and cleaning videos. And if you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your support as well. Follow me over on Instagram at _JoannaMarie_ and like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.